Hi, my name is Samuel Lee. I am from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This is my Harvard X CS50 2023 final project. So you may have a situation where you have a lot of different applications, a lot of different URLs or pages that are relying on the same CSS. And you make a modification at CSS and you want to make sure that everything is looks as expected. The problem is with human beings, we have to rely on our eyesight and we have to rely on, just looking through all those different URLs. But this project is a very simple concept. We basically feed it a list of URLs and it'll take screenshots of that URL with the CSS swapped out. And then it'll do a comparison and then spit that result in Jinja in a format that's just much easier to scan for human beings. So I'll give you a quick rundown of this application. So with this, we have a list of CLL command line arguments that you can pass in. And you can see here above that I've ran this already. It takes about 1.5 minutes, but for like 3 URLs. But I've essentially just had CSS that applies, just a different color for that button, just so that we can demonstrate what that looks like. And you can see here the results. So it spits it out via Jinja, and it'll just highlight the differences here. So this is essentially what my project does. We're relying on PixelMatch and the shot scraper to take those screenshots with the headless Chrome or Firefox, whatever we decide, browser. I guess the code is pretty straightforward in my mind, at least. We're just parsing the arguments. Then we pass it the YAML file for the URLs. You can specify that, but it defaults to this one, and you can see what that looks like here. And then for every CSS file that you have here, it's going to just add it in as a DOM element, and then you'll be able to visually test it and compare it, and then spit out the results via Jinja. So that's my project, and thank you for your time.